Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. Starting Wednesday, a road construction project in Muncie may cause a few traffic headaches. Both outer lanes of Bethel Avenue, including turn lanes, will be closed for repaving. The affected areas will be between McKinley and Tillotson Avenues. The reconstruction and paving of the lanes is expected to last through Friday. Motorists are urged to find alternate routes around the project. Muncie Fieldhouse is a legendary venue, but as Newslink Indiana's Nicole Richards found out, history is about to get a makeover.
Marilyn Moore of Muncie remembers the Fieldhouse of the past, one that was more than just a sports venue.
It just had so many other uses. It was truly a community-type building, along with being a part of the school system.
Now, as it approaches its 76th anniversary, the Fieldhouse is undergoing some minor renovations.
Repainting and adding much brighter lights are some of the renovations that have been going on since June to the Muncie Fieldhouse.
Director of Student Services Don Holderman says the Fieldhouse needed to be repainted because it looked old and the color was outdated. The Fieldhouse also needed new lights.
This winter we hosted the Muncie Central basketball game, and ESPN did that game live, ESPN Classic, and they brought in their own lighting system because we were so dim. We didn't really know we were that dim until ESPN brought in bright lights for television.
As president of the Alumni Association, Moore visits the Fieldhouse often and is head of the new memorabilia display room.
Oh, I think it's tremendous. It is beautiful in there, and I'm so proud of the Fieldhouse and all the memories of going there.
Despite the changes, Muncie Central Bearcat fans will still find the Fieldhouse home. In Muncie, Nicole Richards, Newslink, Indiana.
Now the painting is already complete and it's hoped the lights will be finished by Wednesday. Well, now here's a look at the Newslink Indiana forecast. The hot, humid weather is here to stay at least for another day. Today will be another scorcher. It will be partly cloudy with a high of 88. There is, however, a 30% chance of showers and storms. Some of them could be strong. Tonight the rain chance increases to 40%. Otherwise it will be partly cloudy with a low of 68. And looking ahead at the 5-day forecast, the chance of rain sticks around through Wednesday, but then it clears out and cools down for the weekend. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tonight for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.